How to find the password of your Google account. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to easily find the Google account's password. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and don't forget to subscribe as well. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos that we upload. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your settings. Now, once your phone settings is open, just scroll down until you see Google. Just tap on it and make sure that your Google account that you want to find passwords is logged in here, or you can switch your account if you want. You can directly tap on Password Manager from here, but if you don't see this option, you can go ahead and tap on All Services. And if you scroll down, you will see Autofill and Password. Just tap on it. And from here, you can head over to your Google Password Manager. And now it will have the list of all of the passwords that you've saved on your Google account. And if there are many you cannot find Google, then what you can do is just search for Google here and just tap on it. Now you will have to provide your fingerprint or your biometrics or your PIN code. And from here, if you tap on this eye icon, you will easily be able to see your password. And you also have this copy button, so if you copy this, you will be able to paste it directly to wherever you need. And like that, you can see your Google password easily. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you on the next video.